Alright guys, over here at the shop, school shop. I'm gonna tell you guys a little bit about what we need, what we plan on doing, what we're currently doing, things that need to be replaced. Basically, mechanically, what the car needs so far. We need to fix the braking system. So I got the new master cylinder over here. This one was shot. We got the new calipers, brakes. We haven't checked the ones in the back, which are drum brakes as of right now, but they seem to be all right. We're gonna have to change. I want to change the brake lines. I want to do some copper nickel lines just to be able to do them. Mechanically, the engine is all right from what the last owner told me. Suspension is all right. It's a bit of a rust bucket, but nothing a few welds won't fix. It's a game you play. The inside looks messy, but it's all complete. I tore everything apart. Everything's there. Car's in good shape, honestly. Missing a window though, as you can see, but she's there. Radiator is gonna have to be replaced, but everything's complete in here. All right, these are the brakes that I got. Some metallic brakes onto the new calipers. I'm just gonna mount them on.